everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Meg, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I am showing you how to do a quick, easy furniture makeover on a hall console table. Before we get to that, last week I shared a poll on my community post about whether you watch your YouTube videos on your laptop or your phone. And the majority of you said phone, which I was very surprised about, but also kind of glad because my computer is so old and I want to improve my video quality for you guys to be able to watch in that high quality format. But my computer is so old I can't update it. So I am saving for a new computer, which I'm really excited about. And I will get there, so I'm going to bring that better quality for you guys to watch. So thank you again for all of your support on my channel, and if you'd like to support me and my business, you can click the link called Buy Me a Coffee. It is in my description, and it's the most easiest way to support my channel. You just click it and buy me a coffee. So thank you again so much, and I really appreciate all of your support, and enjoy this video. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video too. So here's the before, and I think it is beautiful, but it does need a makeover, and I love the cane on the bottom. It really just gives the whole piece character, and I'm always attracted to the cane furniture. Love it, and love those legs too with the lines. It has beveled tinted glass in the middle, which I will take out, as you can see here, because taking it out will give it a better paint job and going underneath and all the trims. So as you can see here, I took the glass out, wrapped it up, and put it aside. Now I did cover the bottom plastic cane with plastic, but I ended up painting it anyway. So to get started, I used 220 sanding disc to scuff sand the entire piece, making sure that I got all of the areas so they're not smooth anymore, and it has really good adhesion. Also, it gets off any old gloss or gunk that's on there. So I used Crud Cutter to clean the entire piece. I really love this product. I've used it in all my videos. And I just use a lint-free rag just to clean it all off, and making sure that I get all the dirt off as well, underneath and on top. Once I had cleaned the entire piece, I started to prime with Zinsser Bin 123 in the gray primer, using my Wagner Flexio 5000 sprayer. And I didn't have a lot of room right now because I had other pieces in my workshop area, so I was a little tight for space, but I managed to get it done and get all the areas underneath and on top. I did end up putting this table upside down so that I could get underneath, which is a good idea to do. Once I had primed about 2 coats of gray primer, I sanded with 400 grit sandpaper in between coats, and then I started to spray my paint. Using my sprayer again, I am spraying Country Chic paint in Licorice. This paint is really beautiful to spray as well as brush. So here you can see I have the table upside down so that I can get all of the areas, because with these tables with glass you can see underneath, so it's really important to get all of the underneath as well. So once it was dry, I turned it over and got the top trim. And with paint, I use 1000 grit sanding block to sand in between coats so that you have a really good finish, smooth finish. And you can also use 1500 sanding blocks and 2000. So once I had done 2 to 3 coats of paint, I started to spray my top coat. And the top coat that I love the most is Country Chic Pink Clear Coat. I have been using this clear coat for years now, and it has a beautiful little shine to it, but it also is a matte finish. And when you sand in between with about 2000 grit sanding block, it really does leave a beautiful smooth finish. I'm so happy with how it turned out and love spraying this top coat as well. So here's what it looks like. It turned out absolutely beautiful. The finish is amazing. It has a beautiful shine to it, but also a matte finish. And I really love how it looks. I love how the cane is painted, and I think I did a pretty good job. So I hope you enjoyed that video. It didn't take too long. It was a simple makeover, and I think it turned out absolutely amazing. So last week I shared the $100 challenge, and I haven't spoken about it yet, but I think everybody's videos turned out so well. It was such an amazing day to watch everybody's piece that they picked for their $100 challenge. And I will say, I did say at the end of my video that I did stay under the $100, and I forgot to mention that, so I'm in Canada, so the Canadian amount was around $110, which is around 100 US. So I did have 110, and I forgot to add the Kills spray primer and the Zinsser primer. So I think I still stayed under budget, but I was pretty close to the 110. So still it did work out, but I did want to mention that because I had forgotten it, and I did add it to my description. So anyway, thank you all for watching that, and I'm glad you enjoyed it. I did put a poll in my community tab just asking you if you enjoyed it and you'd like to see more collaborations, because I do have one coming up August 21st. Lots of us on YouTube are doing this, and it's called the Ugly Duckling Challenge. So I am so excited for this one. I already have my piece ready, and I can't wait to get started. So thank you again for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will see you next week on Saturday with another video. Take care and have a good day.